Hello everyone, welcome to Qizhong Chemical's YouTube channel. Today, we're going to explain some of the things you need to know about Qizhong product packaging.
Okay, here is our finished goods warehouse. And you can see that there are mainly two types of package. First one is the jumbo bag. For the jumbo bag, we can normally load about 500 or 550 or even 600 kilograms in one jumbo bag. And the other is this 25 kilograms small bag. For the small bag, we can offer different colors. This one is a yellow one. We can also offer green ones and black ones. We can also print your company logo, or you can see here some other informations and words you need on the bag. Same is as the jumbo bag. We can also make it according to customers' different requirement. And one other thing, we can make a pallet for both the jumbo bag and the small bag, which will make sure that all goods are in intact situation before loading into the container, so that you can receive them with very good condition.
If you have any needs or questions about activated carbon products, we always welcome your inquiries.